Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign up and set up a Hugging Face account. Step 1. Go to huggingface.co and click on sign up on the top right corner. Step 2. Enter your username, email, and password. You can also sign in using your GitHub or Google account. Step 3. After signing up, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Step 4. Log into your new account and you will land on your Hugging Face profile dashboard. Step 5. Click your settings to set your name, profile picture, and link social accounts. Step 6. You can now explore public models, datasets, and spaces, or upload your own AI models. Hugging Face is a powerful platform for developers and researchers working in machine learning and natural language processing. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.